St. Thomas residents are blasting successive governments for what they described as years of neglect, which contributed to the Yalas River Bridge being badly damaged during Hurricane Melissa. The incident left hundreds of people in prime coffee areas marooned for almost 3 weeks. Kalisha Williams has that story.
So this is the bridge that will take you from Mavis Bank to communities like Hagley's Gap and Penline Castle on the St. Andrew-St. Thomas border. But a section of the bridge washed away during Hurricane Melissa. They were able to do a temporary fix by dumping a section of the river so residents can now access the community. But anxiety is still high.
Well, like a fret, because any little rainfall, we're blocking again. So that kind of challenging.
About 4 times or 3 times, then the bridge come. You see, gone back at stage 1.
After Hurricane Melissa, the residents were marooned in the community for over 3 weeks, and they told TVJ News it has been 3 weeks of misery.
There are coffee that ripe and spoil. The Blue Mountain Gold, the coffee, the resource of Jamaica, precious commodity. It falls off the tree because there's no way to take it out.
And see the condition of the road, it caused me to slide off of the road and mash up my foot right now.
When that happened?
Just after the storm, just like last week Wednesday, this happened to me.
From that washway, people can't get to go at town. Like the market, so most of the things that people have get spoiled.
Closer to the Blue Mountains in the community of Penline Castle, residents are even more irate. They believe that while the community was spared from the worst impacts of the hurricane, the disaster has exposed decades of neglect in the area. For instance, the poor road infrastructure.
The bridge links to the Blue Mountain, which is a national heritage point of Jamaica, and a point of Jamaica which is being ignored.
All the Prime Minister himself come and say bridge come. How much in time? No bridge. So we take people for fool.
We don't have no road, and millions of dollars come out here. We don't know what them do for. Every time they want to vote, them run and come and a fool way, and we're going like fool and do the same thing over and over.
And as climate change continues to threaten tourism in coastal communities, one resident, Stanford Bennett, believes the authorities should capitalize on the Blue Mountain area.
It's time to shift the focus on trying to get horseback riding or what cable by cable going up to the Blue Mountain and coming down.
In the meantime, communications manager at the National Works Agency, Stephen Shaw, said there have been plans to construct a permanent bridge in the area. He told TVJ News that the project was impacted by major rain events even before Hurricane Melissa. However, the community is on the list of 55 bridges which will be replaced in the island soon. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.